Ever wondered how to use common English phrases in your everyday conversations? Today, we've got a fun and informative session lined up for you. We'll be discussing 20 common English phrases, their meanings, and examples of how to use them. Stay tuned as we dive into these common English phrases that can help improve your English communication skills. Let's kick off with the first 5 phrases. When you're unsure of your location, you might say, "I'm lost." It's a clear way of expressing your need for directions. Next up, when you're uncertain about something, you can use the phrase, "I'm not sure." It's a polite way to convey indecisiveness or doubt. Find yourself short on time, then, "I'm in a hurry" is your go-to phrase. It clearly communicates that you're pressed for time. Now, if you need a moment to ponder over something, you'd say, "Let me think." It's a courteous way of asking for some time to consider a proposition or an idea. Lastly, "no problem" is a phrase we use to show that we don't mind doing something or that something isn't a big deal. Got it? Great. Now let's move on to the next set of phrases. Ready for more? Here come the next 5 phrases. First up, "that's funny." This phrase is an expression of amusement. For instance, when someone tells you a joke that makes you laugh, you can respond by saying, "That's funny." Next, we have "what's the matter?" It's a question you ask when you notice someone seems upset or bothered, like, "You seem worried. What's the matter?" Moving on to "are you serious?" This is a phrase you use when you want to confirm if someone is being genuine, usually in response to surprising news. For instance, "I just saw a celebrity at the grocery store. Are you serious?" The phrase "take care" is a warm way to say goodbye, expressing concern for someone's well-being. As in, "It was nice seeing you. Take care." Lastly, "hold on" is a request for someone to wait briefly. Like, "Hold on, I need to tie my shoelaces." These phrases are not so hard to grasp, right? Let's proceed to the next set. We're halfway through. Let's continue with the next 5 phrases. Phrase number 41, "let's get started." This phrase is an invitation to begin an activity or task. For instance, when everyone is assembled for a meeting, you might say, "Now that everyone is here, let's get started." Next up, phrase number 42, "what's on your mind?" This question is used to ask someone to share their thoughts or concerns. For example, "You seem deep in thought. What's on your mind?" Now, phrase number 43, "I'll be right back." This is a promise to return shortly, like, "I'll be right back, I just need to grab something." Phrase number 44, "Can I borrow this?" It's a polite request to temporarily use someone else's belongings, such as, "Can I borrow your pen?" Lastly, phrase number 45, "it's a piece of cake." This expression indicates that something is straightforward or easy. An example might be, "Don't worry, it's a piece of cake." Great job, we're almost done. Let's move on to the final set of phrases. We've reached the final set of phrases. Let's finish strong. Our first phrase is, "I'm just kidding." This is a playful way of saying that you were joking or not being serious. Imagine fooling a friend with a tall tale and then seeing their surprised face. You say, "I can't believe you fell for that. I'm just kidding." Moving on, we have, "that's a good idea." This phrase expresses agreement or approval. For instance, if a friend suggests starting a book club, you might respond with, "Starting a book club, that's a good idea." Next is, "that's a great point." This is a compliment acknowledging someone's valid argument or statement. For example, "You made a great point during the meeting." Our penultimate phrase is, "it's a long story." This indicates that explaining something would take some time. "Why are you so upset?" It's a long story. And finally, we have "don't give up." This is a phrase of encouragement, urging someone to keep trying. Even when things get tough, don't give up on your goals. Well done. We've covered all 20 phrases. Now let's wrap things up. What an exciting journey through the world of English phrases. We've explored a spectrum of expressions, from admitting uncertainty with "I'm not sure," to expressing amusement with "that's funny." We've learned to ask for time with "let me think" or "hold on," and to express care and concern with "what's the matter?" or "take care." We've even delved into the realm of idiomatic expressions like "it's a piece of cake." Each of these phrases enriches our communication, making it more nuanced, expressive, and effective. So don't just sit on them. Use them. Practice them. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, practice makes perfect. Use these phrases in your day-to-day conversations and you'll see improvement in no time. See you in our next video.